Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Home Depot business credit card. Right, so the first thing we need to do is check that we're eligible. So ensure that you meet these basic requirements before you apply. You'll need a minimum credit score of around 620. You need to have an official business name and all your financial details ready, and be prepared for a personal guarantee requirement, which means a personal credit check that'll be conducted. Apply online for the fastest processing through Citibank's official website or a trusted partner like WalletHub. Alternatively, you can visit any Home Depot store, any location to apply in person with a knowledgeable representative. Remember that either methods will trigger a hard credit inquiry on your report. You now need to go and fill out the application with your personal information, including your name, social security number, your address, date of birth, and you also need to provide business details such as the business income, employment status, business information. Go ahead and review all of the terms carefully and authorize the credit check before submitting. Then you need to await a decision and your card delivery, of course. So approval decisions can be instant, or they may take up to 30 days depending on your application. Now, once they're approved, your new Home Depot business credit card will arrive by mail within 7 to 10 business days, ready for use on all your business supply needs. So taking into account the 30 days plus the 10 days, you're going to be waiting about 40 odd days to get your card and ready to use. So just keep that in mind.